Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to install or use your slide lock. So this guy right here, this is your typical standard slide lock. The way this operates is you run your slide all the way in. You're going to run this all the way closed. What you do, you put her up there on the top like so. Tag always on the outside. You're going to run this guy all the way out. 2 buttons right there. Slide it all the way out as tight as you can get it when it locks into place. From there, you're going to be tight just like so. You're just going to spin this guy right here. So what that's going to do is that's going to either tighten or loosen the tension on that guy. Just get it nice and snug. Now remember, on the outside right here, you have this little note. Make sure that's hanging over the edge, so when you get back into this unit 5 months or 5 days down the road, you remember to remove this before you try pulling that slide out. Because you run that slide out, you're going to do a lot of damage. You're going to crack the wall, you're going to knock the fascia off, and that's the last thing you want to do is damage your camper. So make sure you take her off, put the camper or the lettering outside right here, the little note. Should be good to go. If you have any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.